The Plantronics Blackwire 5200 series of headsets provides compatibility and comfort for the way you work. This is what comes in the box. When you put the headset on, lengthen or shorten the headband so it fits comfortably. You can choose to wear the flexible boom on your left or right side. Rotate and adjust the boom so it's placed at a 2-finger wide distance from the corner of your mouth. Next, plug the USB cable into your computer. Then download Plantronics Hub for Windows or Mac to configure your settings such as dynamic mute, alerts, and call control. To make a call, dial out using your soft phone. To answer a call, use your soft phone or the convenient inline controller by pressing the call button once to answer. To put a caller on hold, double press the call button. To return to the call, press the call button. You can adjust the volume, mute or end the call with the inline controller buttons. If you're not on an active call, double pressing the call button will redial the last call. The Blackwire 5200 series headset works with a variety of devices. When you're on the go, unplug the headset from the inline controller and plug the 3.5mm cable directly into your smartphone or tablet. In this case, use your mobile device for call controls. You're now ready to enjoy your headset.